Welcome to dotConnect for Oracle. Empower your .NET applications with an industry-trusted high-speed data provider that delivers direct Oracle connectivity. Get started in two simple ways. Use the Windows installer for a complete setup with integration into Visual Studio. Alternatively, choose the NuGet package for the fastest way to connect to a database. Effortlessly connect to Oracle using Server Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio. Just add a new connection. Select dotConnect for Oracle as the data provider. Enter your server credentials, and you're in. With direct connection support, there's no need to install the Oracle client. Once connected, you can browse your Oracle tables, views, stored procedures, and data. Connect programmatically in any .NET projects or frameworks. Craft your connection string and initialize OracleConnection. Secure your Oracle connections. Add SSL certificates, SSH keys, proxy or Unicode settings to your connection string for encrypted access. Our data provider powers your ORM workflows with seamless integration for Entity Framework Core, Dapper, NHibernate, and more, across all .NET versions. Enhance productivity with Entity Developer, enabling visual model design, automatic code generation, and database synchronization to simplify complex mapping tasks in .NET applications. Our advanced ADO.NET architecture unleashes exceptional performance. From core data access to security, synchronization, and specialized utilities, its comprehensive classes outperform any open-source connectors. Elevate your .NET applications with our industry-proven, reliable connector. Download it for a free trial today, give it a go, and make the most out of its capabilities and performance in your projects.